Hey guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, YouTube with Wilrob. This channel is all about helping the new YouTubers get their channels up and going. So watch some of my videos down below. Maybe there's something that you're having problems with. I'm always glad to help, so if you'd want to leave a message down below and let me know a topic or something you'd like me to do a video on, that would be great. As you know, I love helping you guys. This is a brand new channel, so I'm pretty much starting at the bottom with very basic stuff, okay? So it may be a little boring to a lot of you guys, but as this channel grows, I'll be putting on more stuff, you know, editing video stuff, you know, how to get more subscribers, all kinds of neat stuff, okay? But we got to all start somewhere, so I figured I would do this channel and help all you guys have a new YouTube channel out. Okay, so make sure and post me something down there. I'd really like to hear from you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. You turn on your post notifications so you can know when I upload a new video, okay? And you won't hurt my feelings if you don't like a video. You can tell me you didn't like the video. I don't care. This is just all about helping you guys. So anyway, I'll try to make this short. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the channel, and I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.